Hello everyone, I'm Shani and I'm going to do a night routine. Okay, I'm gonna go to the restroom to get ready to remove my makeup, plus putting something on my face. First, I'm going to remove my makeup by using the Neutrogena makeup remover. After removing my makeup, I'll be using the Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash Pink Grapefruit Foaming Scrub by using the Sonic Base Brush. Then I always make sure that I always wash my face and use a face towel. And that's how I do my night routine. I'm all fresh and no makeup. Now it's time for me to go sleep. Okay, good night everyone.